Hello lovely dancers, my name is Aisha and welcome back to belly dance tutorials. In today's class I'm gonna go over undulations with stepping back. As I said, we are going to add more elements to basic movements, to beginning or intermediary type of movement. We are adding more elements to them and will create more complex and advanced movements. Today I'm gonna go over undulations but with stepping back. Yeah, I don't know how to call this one. Some people call it camels, but I don't know, it's a little different than what I understand by camels. Anyway, so and the movement is gonna look like this. Yes. So we are stepping back with each undulation, so it's a roll from top to down, roll. But we are stepping on this roll. And a lot of time when we do this movement, the music has like double accents. And for me at least, a lot of time I have to do it with double step. So it's gonna be undulate, undulate, or double undulations. Undulate, undulate. That's how it sounds to me a lot of time when I use this movement. But you can definitely do only one. Although I think it's a little harder to do just one. So I will do double because it just feels more natural. So, you know the technique for undulations. I will link it down below, and for this one make sure that you're rolling the lower body, you're rolling the hips a lot. So it's like all Egyptian undulations, yeah, they start kind of here, although we do push with the chest a little bit, but we don't do a circle or a roll with the chest. It's only a push forward a little bit, but we are rolling from here down, here, down. And for this one, the movement is visible when you roll the hips. So make sure that you get a nice and deep roll in the pelvis here. And then we are turning from corner to corner. So we are facing this corner and we are turning, stepping around in the back to face the other corner. So that part is not easy. It's a diagonal, so you angle to the audience, so they get the maximum amplitude of the movement. So we're gonna, usually the arms are L shape, typical arm positions, and when you go down, down. When you switch the arms, you bring them together and open. Together, open, 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 yeah? And then it's nice when you add like diagonal arms here, but you can style your arms as you want and as you like. So sometimes just a simple switch of the arms work. It depends on the music and the character of the song and so on. So sometimes just a simple switch works pretty good. But if you have time, it's nice to create a pathway with the arms. Of course, it depends on the style of the music. Yeah, if it's ballady, not so much. Yeah, you can still do these undulations, which are very typical in ballady, but not arms out here and balletish kind of arms. It's more like closer to the body. So that's another way of doing arms. But for today, I'm gonna do the elegant arms, and I will play some music for you and we will practice this together. So let's try this on music now. 1, lower this time, more ballet style. Okay, dancers, this was a short tutorial, but I hope you'll practice this movement. It's really not more to say to this one, but if you have questions, let me know and write them down in the comments box, and I will try to address them. Yeah, just practice arms and the rolling of the hips with stepping back with undulations, and try to get as much roundness here, as much flow as you can, because it's a very nice and juicy movement. So the technique for undulations, I will link it down below, but it's pretty much the same the same technique as usually. The only difference is stepping back and angling our bodies. Alright, I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And I will see you next time. Shimmy, shimmy.